Hey, good morning. Nicole Dormer right here, mother to 5, wife to 1. My alarm just went off and I have my alarm set. Oh man, somebody's mowing. God bless them, I love them. I just don't want you to not hear me. So I'm gonna walk across the street. Okay, my alarm went off this morning and I have my alarm set to go off and it actually says, I'm gonna go back this way, it's super loud. It says, hey you beautiful thing, you. Get excited because you're amazing and lives are gonna be changed today. My alarm goes off every morning at 8:15 CST with that message. I get up and start dancing to my favorite song that I've applied to that alarm, and it sets my energy for the day. Even though Ray's already set it, I keep going throughout the day because when you're sitting and you're working or you're doing chores, you get out of the mindset and you got to get back into it. So every couple of hours I have an alarm that tells me to get up and dance for 30 seconds to a minute. It's all I need. It's all I need. Gets me going. So the question that I have here is, what are you doing today that's going to make you kiss yourself a year from now, right? Very important. And so a lot of you attended the Rank Maker Live 2020 virtual experience this weekend. And boy, it was life-changing. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, stick around because this message applies to you too. So for years, I've been going to events, 6 years, and I actually have a desk. I have a desk that I have shoved every single notebook, every single journal, every single loose leaf paper, every single piece of paper that I wrote lip liner on because I ran out of ink. I have it all. I have it all sitting there. And as Ray Higdon says, that is uncashed checks, because those notes not only can be taught from, but they can inspire others and of course put you into action. So I'm going to give you a little tip today. If you have all these notes from any type of convention, self-help convention, any type of network marketing convention, entrepreneur convention, real estate convention, wealth convention, whatever you've been to, even silent retreats a lot of my friends have gone on, you have lots and lots of notes and you're there because you are looking for change, you're looking for growth. So take those notes out. I don't care if they're 10 years old, they still apply, they're still inspirational. Take those notes out. And if they are older than a year, they're going to teach you a little bit about your mindset and what was important to you, what you needed to write down. That's important in retrospect. It's very important. But take all these notes out, especially from this past weekend, and you're going to apply a 3-star system to them. The first star is going to be for all the quotes that you wrote down. Because you're like, oh, that quote's good. I cannot wait to share that with my team, with my husband, with my kids. I need that quote for me every day, okay? 1 star will go on all the inspirational quotes. So just go through all your notes because they come and go, right, throughout the entire event. Put 1 star next to those quotes. Secondly, you're going to put 2 stars next to an action step. Shailene Johnson, woo, blew my mind, people, blew my mind. Lots of action steps. Marina Simone, lots of action steps. Diane Hockman, lots of action steps. I can go on and on and on. Go put 2 stars next to those and make sure that you put every single one of those in action before Friday. Make it happen. Get it in your muscle memory. 3 stars. 3 stars are going to go next to the material that you can teach on. Remember, teach to teach and then go to the beach. That's your motto. And you may think, I don't even have a teammate, Nicole. I have 2 customers and one just said that the product sucked. Who cares? If you don't have vision, you don't have growth. You don't have growth. So you have to take those notes, put 3 stars next to them, and one at a time, go teach on them. Now, another thing you may be saying, my arm's getting tired, got to switch arms. You may be saying, oh, Nicole, you know, a lot of those notes that I took down, they were about business. I'm just not ready to teach on that. That's okay. Oh, Nicole, I'm not ready to teach on my product. That's okay. Don't teach on your product ever. But what you can do is apply benefits to your products. You could talk about not being able to sleep. So example, go out to Google, type in 10 benefits for sleeping better, go live on your Facebook or Instagram or both or YouTube, all of the above, and say, hey guys, I haven't been sleeping well lately, so I Googled 10 steps or 10 tips to help you sleep better, and here I'm going to give you 5, and the other 5, I don't want you to get carpal tunnel, so you just reach out to me and I'll give them to you. I'll make a list of them so you have them too, so we can all start sleeping better and be our best selves. Right? 5-10-minute video. All you got to do is share. It's okay that you're talking into the camera and staring at your notes at the same time. You're human. You shouldn't have those notes memorized, because anybody that's looking at you, especially in network marketing, you're not duplicatable if they look at it and say, I can never do that. Whew. A fifth grader should go, hey mom, I just learned how to share tips on sleep and I'm gonna go live, right? A fifth grader should do it. That is so important, because if you want people to follow you and do what you do, you gotta show them they can do it too. So let me recap that real fast. 1 star is for all those inspirational quotes. Make sure that you take those, copy them. If you took notes, like on Google Sheets or something, maybe in your mail, maybe I take them all over the place. If you wrote them down, put them somewhere where you can keep them and always go to them, okay? You can always cut and paste them, whatever. So, 1st star, inspirational quotes, great curiosity post. Brings people happiness, brings people joy. It inspires them, it lets them see that you care and you're motivated to inspire them, right? You don't want to share them every day though, okay? I'll get to that. That's the bonus training at the end of this. Number 2 stars. You are gonna go back and you are going to get into action with all those action steps. Number 3, you want to ILT. You've invested, you've learned. Now go teach them in Facebook Lives, even in vision posts. That's fine. Now, that's the bonus training. What do I do through the week, Nicole? How do I manage to keep people interested, to slow their scroll? Slowing their scroll is vital. It's vital. So how do you do that? Number 1, this is bonus training, writing this down. Keep your titles to 15 words or less. You want a 9-second hook. Okay? If you are doing something, that first catchphrase in your vision post or curiosity post should be 1 sentence that's going to catch their attention. Sometimes you can ask a question. The word that starts with a K tends to get more engagement, up to 50% more engagement than any other word, a word that starts with a K, so figure that one out. 39% engagement goes up when you add emojis to that first sentence, okay? Then you can tell your vision story, then you can do your curiosity post. But those things will help you if applied properly. If you need help, reach out to me and I'll give that to you. But applied properly, you're gonna get more engagement. So what do? You reach out with a curiosity post twice a week. Vision post once or twice a week. Always put a picture in there of your beautiful self. We wanna see you. People wanna see who they are talking to. They wanna know that they're like sitting across the table in conversation with you. Let them see you. Don't be afraid of that, okay? And then a Facebook Live. Shout out people in your curiosity stories, other people on your team, other people in your life. They don't even have to be on your team. Maybe your next door neighbor just got a raise at work. Maybe somebody on your street or a family member just had a baby. You know, let people know that you love on everybody, even people outside of your business, okay? So, I hope you like this training. Share it if you got some value out of it. If you haven't seen my latest podcast, you can go to podcasts or Spotify. It's called Mother Not Martyr. There's 2 episodes there. I would love a review. This Friday, I'm giving away a drawing for a gift card to Amazon for anyone that leaves a review for either one or both. That's bonus of those podcasts. Guys, have an amazing day. Reach out to me if you need help. If you have a question about anything that I shared, because I want you to make today the first day of the rest of your life in action. Take care. God bless. See you around the block.